Friends, this is Satish Kamath from Effective Project Management Academy, and now I am going to tell you how the relationship between scope management, schedule management, and cost management needs to be studied together. This is known as triple constraint. In the school, we have learned that the triangle ABC has three sides, and if I extend the base BC to BC dash, what happens to line AC? Line AC becomes longer, that means AC dash is longer than AC. So what do we understand in context with project? That means if we consider three sides of this triangle, one side base as a scope, another side as a budget, and third side as a schedule. If I increase the scope, either the schedule will increase or the budget will increase. Or if I cut down the budget drastically, the schedule will increase or the scope will decrease. So therefore, this budget, schedule and scope, they depend on each other, and every time you consider any proposition in the project, you have to consider scope, budget and schedule together. That is the importance of these three constraints being together. It is a part of it. Friends, this is Satish Kamath from Effective Project Management Academy. Many people want to do PMP trainings and they would like to know same questions, different people, and instead of every individual calling again and again on different days, what we have done is we conduct 1 hour introductory session for knowing what we cover in PMP. So in this, please join these 1 hour sessions and you will come to know what is PMP, what is expected while studying PMP, or what are the requirements from PMI side, how to apply for PMP, and all this you will know in real time, because this is a real time 1 hour session for letting you know what is PMP, how to study, what benefits are there from PMP, how you will gain from PMP, how much does it cost for you, and how much time you need to spend for this. And also, of course, I will be telling you some simple tips for passing PMP. So this is what is the intention of this 1 hour session. Please join today on the following, call us on the following number.